What's up, online shoppers? If you are looking for an awesome gift for your little scientist, or if you're looking to stimulate a love of science, technology, engineering, art, and math for your little one, this is an absolutely awesome gift. Now, I have purchased Smartivity products before for little ones that I love, and they are always received with high applause. Now, this one is rated for 8 to 14 years old, and it comes with everything that you need in the box. No need for extra tools or anything else like that. Once the whole thing is assembled, they also provide you these really cool stickers so that you can trick out your hand to make it look even cooler. For me, the first thing that is an absolute standout about the Smartivity tools is how awesome the instruction booklets are. They want to make sure that your child has the best experience possible. When you look at their instruction booklets, you can see that the illustrations are full color and that they have actual sentences written in an easy to understand format. So whether your child is 8 years old or 14 years old, they can flip through the booklet and they can easily follow the path of the instructions to get what this looks like into that. Now, the biomechanical hand is built on the concepts of joints that move, so that is replicated using a series of different elastics, as well as any tools that you would potentially need here to assemble the biomechanical hand. Die cut, laser cut foam pieces to help simulate different parts of the hand, and here is the sustainably sourced MDF wood that they make all the parts of the hand out of. Everything that you need, including the little felt pads and anything else you need to put this together, are all included right inside here. It definitely is a step-by-step experience that ensures a deeply engaging DIY creative project for your child. It's screen-free fun that is a great break from tablets and computers. Now, as far as what this does, it promotes creativity, it promotes independence, it promotes hand-eye coordination, STEAM learning, which is science, technology, engineering, art, and math, and also confidence when your child can point to the really cool project that they have created, all from these little pieces. Another really cool thing about Smartivity is that they have a lifetime part replacement guarantee. If a part breaks, you just have to reach out to them and they will send you a new one. If you're looking for a gift that's more than a toy, this gift from Smartivity is awesome. Whether you want to do this as a shared experience with your child or you want to give it to them as something they can do independently, this is top shelf. It balances fun and learning, playing and building, so you're getting double value for your money. Overall, I think that this STEAM-based activity, the Smartivity's mechanical hand, is another winner. So if your little one loves tinkering, hands-on kinds of activities that stimulate creativity and independence, this is definitely something that is on the top of my list, and that's why Smartivity's mechanical hand is a family favorite at our house.